If you are seeing this type of error on your desktop, this might be your desktop folder is missing. So let's see how to fix this issue. For this, go to your File Explorer. Now click on C drive. Now go to the view. Now click on the options. Click on change folder and search options. Now click on view. Now you need to select show hidden file, folders and drives. Now after selecting this, click apply and OK. Now go to users, go to default. Now copy your desktop folder. Now again click on C drive, go to Windows. Now search for System32. Now click on Config, click on System Profile and paste the desktop folder. Now again go back. After this, again go to your File Explorer, click on this PC, click on the C drive, click on Properties and go to Tools. Now click on the check and click on Scan Drive. This will scan your corrupted files. This might take a few minutes. After doing this, just restart your PC. This might solve your issue. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.